Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion to Make in 2026. If you want to automate your Notion workspace and connect it with hundreds of other apps, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, create a new scenario or open an existing one where you want to use Notion. Next, click the plus icon to add a module. In the search box, type Notion and select the Notion app from the list of available integrations. Now choose the trigger or action you want to use. For example, you can watch database items, create a page, update a page, or search for records, depending on your automation needs. Next, click Add or create a connection. A Notion authorization window will appear. Sign in to your Notion account if prompted and select the workspace you want to connect. Now review the requested permissions and choose the pages or databases you want to share with Make. Click Allow Access to complete the authorization process. Once the connection is created, return to Make and select the database or page you want to use. Configure the remaining module settings, then click Run once to test the connection and verify that everything works correctly. Finally, save your scenario and switch it on. Your Notion automation will now run automatically whenever the configured trigger occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Notion to Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.